My friend here is my neighbor, he got a new bike.
You son of a bitch.
Oh, the sun is coming out. Oh no, now it's... Oh, okay. So what's up everyone? We're here at a little Touge run, mountain ride, but it started to rain, so that's unfortunate. Just need to watch out a little more. Road is a little bit. I'm on semi-slicks. Okay, the weather turns out to be nice. Nice hairpins here. This ride is probably gonna be a bit less talky. Here it's getting wet, you can really feel it in the steering wheel though. Being careful here. Whoa! But the road is so good, man. Whoa! Okay, speed limit again. Let's slow down a bit. Wow, that was pretty nice. Sometimes I just shift to shift, honestly, because it's so much fun with this gearbox. And yes, today we have the roof on. Rare occasion for me, but it started raining, so got a thumbs up from the biker. Man, I love the biker community, honestly. So nice. And that's why I almost only ride with bikers. I think the vibe is just a bit different than with car guys. I love car guys, don't get me wrong. It's just, yeah, all my friends are bikers. Another point. Little understeer. Wow, the bike is really giving it some beans, man. My friend here is my neighbor, he got a new bike. He's really happy with it. It's an MT-09. And he's actually having a good pace. Normally I'm way faster in these corners than the bike. But right now I'm actually fine riding behind him. Yeah, he also doesn't have a camera on his head, so he can drive a little bit faster than me, at least in the straights. It started raining again a bit. I think we're gonna turn around here. Whoa. I'm gonna give him a little bit of space. I'm sure we're gonna drive this road once again when the weather is nice. Right now, for the season start, I think it is okay. It is okay. Whoa. I could activate sport mode actually. Something is rubbing on my car, man. Oh yeah, the throttle response. You can immediately feel it. Blind here. so much fun, guys. Wow, our Swiss roads are so good. Wow. And the car, man, the car sounds so good, honestly. Really sharp corners here. Whoa. All right, we're gonna go down again and back up again because it was so good. Once more. Hope the video is actually fine. I'm used to seeing the video, or you are also used to seeing the video without a roof. I think that makes quite of a difference, but still. Hope you can enjoy this ride as much as I do. Whoa, shaky! Some raindrops falling. Oh, the sun is coming out. Oh no, now it's... Whoa, okay. Whoa. As we go back down, it started to rain like hell. Yeah, now we gotta watch out a bit more. We may even turn around again because, yeah, when it's raining with semi-slicks and with a bike, it's not really that much fun. If you want to obey the rules, yeah, of course. If you don't want to obey the rules and start drifting, then that can also be fun. Yeah, but nah, man. I can't see shit, and you can see the wiper is it's not doing a lot of work. And oh yeah, the understeer. And even after driving this car for a year, I still miss some heel toes, man. I still miss some. Oh god. At least I didn't get wet, yeah. I drove here with the roof down, but then when it started to rain, I just pulled over and put it on. Oh.